Welcome to Plantdesk. In this lesson, we'll learn the basics of a PEM electrolyser and how it produces hydrogen from water. PEM stands for Proton Exchange Membrane. A PEM electrolyser uses electricity and water to produce hydrogen and oxygen through a process called electrolysis. Before looking at the equipment, let's understand the process. A PEM electrolyser converts water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. Now we open a diagram. This diagram explains how the PEM electrolyser system works. Starting from the left, raw water is purified and pumped to the electrolyser stack. Electrical power is supplied to the stack, where water is split into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen and oxygen streams are then separated, dried, and sent for storage or utilization. In simple terms, water and electricity are converted into clean hydrogen and oxygen. Now let's look at the actual PEM electrolyser installation used in this plant. Inside the container is the PEM electrolyser stack, which is the core component where water is split into hydrogen and oxygen using electrical energy. Purified water and electrical power are supplied to the container through dedicated utility connections. These are the primary inputs required for hydrogen production. On top of the electrolyser container, there are storage vessels for the product gases. Hydrogen produced by the electrolyser is collected and routed to the hydrogen storage system, while oxygen generated during the process is collected separately to meet the hydrogen demand of the ammonia plant. This facility uses two PEM electrolyser units operating in parallel. Together, they provide the required hydrogen feedstock for ammonia production. I will summarize now. Water and power enter the electrolyser skid. Hydrogen and oxygen are produced inside the PEM stack, and the hydrogen is supplied to the ammonia production process. Thank you for joining us on this Plantdesk learning session. We hope you enjoyed exploring the PEM electrolyser and its role in green hydrogen production. We'll see you again in another learning experience with Plantdesk Simverse. Log on to plantdesk.app